Hello creatives, you are welcome to Nice Light Media. So today I am going to show you how to retouch 16-bit image. How to retouch 16-bit image and still keep the natural look intact. So now the next thing we are going to do here now is to Ctrl J to get a new layer of our image. Then now you pick your patch tool, which I've already used. This is patch tool. You pick your patch tool. Then now you come here, then you turn your image to black and white. This black and white will help you to trace the blimp sheet you have to remove. The ones you have to remove, this black and white will help you to trace the blimp sheet. Now you draw the red down a little. Then you bring the yellow up a little. Now you can see the blimp sheets are popping out clearly. So now you can now remove them. And when you are removing your blimp sheet, you have to be careful so that you won't destroy the texture. So you draw it, so you draw it like this so that you won't destroy the texture. You draw it carefully so that you won't destroy the texture. So you do it like this. Okay, so when you are doing your own, you have to take your time to do it. You take your time to do this so that you won't, destroy the texture. So I am going to fast forward this video so that we won't waste a lot of time. So guys, now we are done with removing our blimp sheets. Now you can see, this is before, and this is after. Before, after. So next, what are we going to do next? Now it is retouching time. So we are going to double click your Ctrl J, double click it. Then now you turn off the second layer. Then you click on the first layer copy. Then now come to your filter. Then you come to your blur. You add your Gaussian blur. Know that the amount of Gaussian blur you add to your image is the amount of texture you are going to get. Now I will make use of 10. Yes, I will make use of 10. So now you click OK. So then you turn on the high, that's the high layer. So we are going to name this one high frequency layer. I'm just going to use F abbreviation. Then I'm going to use low layer. So I'm going to use low frequency, then high frequency. So we are working on the low frequency now. So then now you click on the high, then you come to your apply image. Then you click on it. Here you will see your merge, they are here. Then you click here. Then you select the low frequency layer. Then now we are working on 60-bit image. So you change the blend mode from normal to add. You change it to add. And if you are working on 8-bit image, you change it to subtract. But since we are working on 60-bit image, we change it to add. So you leave here like this. You don't touch this place. You leave scale at 2, then offset 0. Then you turn on the invert. But if you are working on 8-bit image, you don't have to turn on the invert. So since we are working on 16-bit image, so we have to turn on the invert. Then you click OK. Now when you click OK, you come here, you change the blend mode from normal to linear light. You change it from normal to linear light. Then you group your picture, you group your image by clicking Ctrl G. By clicking Ctrl G, then you click here, then you select the low frequency layer. You select the low frequency layer, then you come here to pick your Mesa brush tool. You might, in some Photoshop, you might see your Mesa brush tool here, but if you do not see your Mesa brush tool here, you click there's arrow on the line of your tools. You click it, you right click, you left click, then you select your Mesa brush tool. Then now you can see my setting. So we are using, I will use 14. Yes, I will use 14. Then my flow is, I will use 10. Then your hardness, you leave your hardness to be 0. So you can copy my setting. Then now you will turn off the high frequency layer. Then you work on the skin. Now the low frequency layer is the color, while the high frequency layer is the texture. So what we are going to do here now, we are not going to touch every part of the skin. No, it's just the place that have too much colors. So we are going to balance the color. Like the place that have black dot, we are just going to balance it to make the skin look the same color, to have the same color. So here we are going to turn all our black and white to see the places we have to correct. Now to see the places we have to correct. So this is it. Then now you come to your low frequency layer. So when you are working on it, you work on it carefully. Zoom your image and you work on it carefully. You can see we are cleaning off the black spot on the skin. So make sure the highlight place, you don't touch the highlight place. So guys, welcome back. We are done with our retouching. Now we are done with our retouching. You cannot see. Okay, then now see the before, after, after. So now we are not done. You click your high frequency layer, then you pick your patch tool. The places you see that the color is not blend, then you can adjust them by doing it this way, like this. So you do it carefully. Also when you are doing yours, you do it carefully. So now we are done with this. You can see the before and after, So now we have to correct the color. So the next thing we are going to do is to create a new layer by clicking this plus sign. After you create a new layer, then you come here you change the blend mode from normal to color. Then you come to your brush tool. You click your brush tool, then you pick the color of the place you want to sample. You sample the color by clicking alternative, then you pick the color. That's the place you want to use. Let me say, okay, let's use this is perfect. Yes, let's use this. Yeah, let's use this. So now what we are doing now is to make the skin have the same color tone. That is what we are doing now. So you paint it carefully. You paint it carefully on the skin. You apply it carefully. So we are done painting all the skin. We are done applying our color on every part of the skin. So the next thing we are going to do, if you look our color very well, it affects some parts that we don't supposed to apply it. It's affecting some part. So we are just going to trim those places. We are just going to trim those places, then remove the color. So we are done with this. We are done applying the color on every part of the body. Now the next thing we are going to do, when you look at the photo very well, the color is overshadowing the texture, so which means is too much. The opacity is too high. So we are going to reduce the opacity. We are going to take the opacity down to 50. Okay, let's leave it 60%. So you can see now before and after. So this is all for this training. I hope with this tutorial you will be able to retouch 16-bit image and do your color correction on the body. So that's all for this training. Till our next training, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on all social media, and our big May discount is all going. Send your photo to us for us to help you carry out your editing.